1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
So guys, I'm gonna be trying on some cute suits that I got. This one is from DKNY. So I will be trying it on. I will be styling different type of suits to see which one will be your favorite. So stay and let's look pretty for the spring, summer in suit as well. Alright, so I have two options of heels, and I'm feeling this a lot better because it's more of a chic, classy, but sexy look. The slippers give it a little sexier look too. I just love the heels on this. Look at the detail, guys. Okay, so the next try is from Zara. I will be showing you guys this cute mustard outfit to try on for the spring. Let's go. So I will be using these pumps for it to give it that. Again, it feels very soft, very comfortable. It's easy fit, makes you feel even more sexy and elegant. I love it. I will be pairing this with a bag. Let's do the YSL. Nice, comfortable, chic, not doing too much, but also standing out. My next try will be this cute pink set that I got from Zara, and I will be trying it to let you guys know how I like the fit and the texture and the feel on my body. So let's get this on. Ooh, I love it. This you can wear on like vacation. It has that vacation vibe to it. So you wear it, you feel nice and comfortable, and it just float. I love how it just float on, you know, it's not too tight, it's like nicely fitting. All right, let's see what we're gonna pair this up with. I am thinking blue. I think blue it is. I love it with the blue. The blue gives it a little more pop. I'm here. I'm on vacation. I am sexy. I'm beautiful. I'm gorgeous. That's the vibe it's giving. So I'm thinking, should I put a hat on and just give it a, you know, vibe? So let me see. Let me grab a hat. So I'm gonna put a hat on, and for this, I don't want to overdo it, so I won't be doing no bag. Just this outfit you can wear on the vacation. You can pop a sunglasses in. You can do it with or without, but it's giving. I am on vacation and I'm having fun. What do you think? Okay, so now we'll be trying on the white. The pants is from Zara. The blazer is from H&M. And we will be trying both of them on to give it a white, clean, chic look, okay? So let's get this on. The pants is really fitting. It's giving me all that access at the right place, you know. This little top is from Zara too. Going to a nice all white brunch, trying to look expensive but cute and, you know, laid back as well, not doing too much. This is your run too. So I'm gonna put some accessory on there. Necklace on, and I actually got this from TJ Maxx. I think expensive, something nice and comfortable. You can't go wrong with gold. Gold just bring in, you know, that vibe. Now we're gonna put the shoes on. I'm doing the blazer is super comfortable. It's so soft. It's not. It's really good. I love the fit. The pants is nice and smooth. I just love the fit of it because it's hard to get pants from places like Zara. With being a curvy woman, it's so hard, but I find this pants very fitting nicely. Look, I didn't have to take it in or anything. Usually I would buy a bigger size and take it in the waist or something, but this is perfect. This is a cute little set I got from TJ Maxx, and I will be styling it to go out and just for a little walk in the park, or just to, go to a little baby shower, whatever. Just simple, easy brunch. I will be styling it both ways. So you tell me which one you like better. Piece is already perfect, but I will be adding in a little fun, cute slippers to it. Going to the park, just walking around, doing a little shopping, and I will add in a little bag to go with it, to put all my stuff in there. This is giving a nice, simple, cute vibe to it. I love it. Yeah. Or we can change it up and get ready for the night. I will be adding some accessory to spice it up a little bit. Do one little bracelets. I will add in a little heels. How you think? Nice and cute. Bad and bougie. From simple to cute to sexy to not doing too much, but you're standing out as well. I love it. And it's comfortable. The skirt is nice and free, nice and floody.